Hi there. Today I'm going to be doing a little change just before I do my throttle balance, and the change I'm doing is to sort out some of the fueling issues that people complain about. And for that, bought a little booster plug. I got it second hand off of eBay. It should be a 30-second job to install. I know some people say it doesn't work, some people say it does, some people say smooth things out, but I thought before I do the throttle balance, I'll get this installed, then do my throttle balance, at least I'm doing everything correctly at the end. Now, all I've got to do for this is plug this in to bypass the current temperature sensor and put this temperature sensor point somewhere outside the bike. That's how I understand it. Now, to do this, I thought I'd make it a bit more interesting and use my on-the-road toolkit just to make sure that I can actually use my on-the-road toolkit rather than using everything I have around the house. So this is normally what I carry underneath the seat on the other bike in the back. So we'll see how we get on. All right, first job, side panel off. So I'm going to take off this side panel here, I think, so I can run the cable down and have the sensor just about here somewhere zip tied. That's the plan. So I'll get the seat off and the side panel off, we'll go from there. So these are the instructions. You can see it should just be a simple case of using these two connectors. Plug one side into the actual sensor in the airbox, the other side into the connection to the ECU, and then taking this sensor and running it down somewhere to the exterior, and I'm thinking of mounting it just underneath here, so when I put the little cover panel on, it's nicely hidden. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, that disconnects. And this actually only goes in one way, which is quite nice. So there should be zero chance of me screwing this up. That clips in there, that clips in there. This I'm going to zip tie into place just about here, I think. Yeah, I think that's a nice location, and then I'll just tidy all that up. So as you can see, I've just zip tied that to mount here. A little zip tie there to tidy everything up, and it just comes in underneath. Now the seat should go back on, which we'll test that in a second. Yep, the seat all goes on nicely. Okay, and that's everything installed, and you can't see that I have that fitted. We'll just do a quick test to make sure it starts. So that's the bike back up and running. Everything seems to run quite successfully. I am pleased that the instructions are simple and easy to use. What I'll do is I'll run the bike, get it really up to temperature, really get it running, then come back, do my throttle body balance, see how that affects things, and then that's pretty much it. I just going back on to making things look pretty and fixing things that are actually broken or need visual repairs. This is pretty much the last of the maintenance work. I'll probably get around to doing the brake fluid soon and the forks, giving them all an upgrade and getting all that fluid replaced. But thanks very much. I'll see you soon.